In this video, we will be looking at how to assemble a 1.5 milliliter reservoir kit. Take out your reservoirs. These will come with adapters pre-installed, but may be taken apart to fill with whatever you need. Note the two ports. The side one is for air, while the top one is for fluid. Disassemble the reservoir adapter. Note that it consists of two components. Slip the smaller component onto the reservoir. Then, align the large component's notch with the reservoir's lid. Screw these together to complete the adapter cap and mount your reservoir. Screw on a lure connector to the side port. Connect some Tygon tubing to this adapter. Insert PTFE tubing through the top port. Ensure it can reach near the bottom and your setup is complete.